Welcome the Sauce Reads episode. Today question. Getresponse pros and cons in 2020? Let's look at the aspects of the pros. Email creation. A simple interface and a variety of tools make it easy to create very attractive emails quickly. List building. Getresponse is ideal for setting up and using any number of segmented lists. Forms and landing pages. These tools are also fairly strong. However, Getresponse, ironically, does not provide responsive forms for mobile, which I would think would be an urgent problem. They have so far not addressed it. Customer support. Customer support via chat and email is strong. It's disappointing the company has pulled the plug on live phone-in support. There are not so many negative aspects. Need responsive forms. A/B testing is strong, but the analytics are slow and confusing. Extra bonus, if you're thinking of registering for the Getresponse, we can give you our 11-step ebook for a good webinar. Please send a message to our WhatsApp support line without registering for the bonus. We'll be right back. You can find a link to the 30-day trial version in the description section. Try it now. You have nothing to lose. Take advantage of the great opportunity. Do not forget to request the bonus from the WhatsApp support line.